Hi everyone, I'm Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the first week of December 2020, that is the 1st to the 7th of December 2020, has in store for the sun sign Aquarius. For the Aquarians, this week is going to be a little bit unsettling and a little bit uncomfortable. This is because a lot of things are going to crop up for this week where you will have to take very quick and prompt and sudden action. And usually, this is not the way you work. You would like to work in a calm and a relaxed and a detailed manner. So, yes, but then the sudden events that are going to happen in this week are going to be such that you're going to be forced to make some sudden decisions, which is not going to be exactly very comfortable with you. Moving on to the space of work. Now, this is the space where you will feel the heat of the week the most. Sudden developments are going to happen at your place of work, something which is very unexpected and not anticipated by you. You will be given last minute assignments to do, and that assignments will be real important ones that actually require a lot of work, but then you will not be given much of time to complete them, so they are going to demand a lot of your working hours, lot of expertise, and you have to do it no matter what. So that's going to cause you a little bit of getting restlessness and angry at your workspace because you will have to complete the assignments at a particular given time. See to it that you keep your temper down at your workspace. Moving on to the area of finances. Financially, everything is absolutely fine. Your finances are well balanced and smooth, but yet again, some unexpected expenditures are going to crop up and are going to disturb the financial balance for the first week of December 2020. Not that the finances are going to go short or you're going to even ask somebody for financial help. It's just that the balance will be disturbed and you will not actually like it. Moving on to the area of relationships. Now, this is a place where, again, sudden, important, but crucial decisions have to be made. You will not be given much of time to decide or think. So, for singles, you might have to choose between the choice of a groom or bride, and it's going to be a very important decision of your life, but there will not be much more time, so you have to make that choice very sensibly and in a short period of time. For people within a marriage, this month is a month where there are chances you might lose your temper and in a fit of temperament might say something which will hurt your better half or even the members of your family. So see to it that you are very caring and loving and careful in your communication with your loved and your near and dear ones for the entire first week of December 2020. When it comes to matters of health, see to it that you're very careful when you walk. You look where you're walking. Otherwise, there are chances that you might stumble and fall and hurt yourself. You might land up getting something crashing down on your feet, or then there are chances that someone else is not looking and bumps and crashes into you and causes a minor kind of an accident. So just be careful and very wary about that. Please feel free to share your comments and your experiences about how you felt your first week of December 2020 went. Feel free to share your comments and your experiences in the comment box or do DM me. I will be happy to read them. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.